Welcome to the HardReset POCO M5, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So to do that, first we should slide at the same time to the center with our fingers, and then click here on the right down corner to the settings icon. Then click here to transitions effect. Now I have selected the default one. We can use one from these available animations. For example, I'll use the rotate. Tap here to down, click the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed home screen animation. If you wanna go back to default one, at the same way, go to the settings, click transitions effect, and select the slide one. Tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.